the most controversial Rolex of all time dito sa Pilipinas.
Again,
Ang mahal nito, boss, sa personal mo?
ang nire-represent niya, the victory of gentry.
Record breaking tayo. Natin yung pinakamalaking profit. Another watch, another day, pare ha.
Welcome
back! All the way from New York.
Oh, yes.
Diba? We're trying to sell it. This is a Saru. Everything is factory, bezel. Very rare ito. Puntahan natin si Boss Mangas. We're selling this for actually 10 million pesos, guys. Medyo mataas. We got it for only 7.6 million. Pero nagbayad pa tayo ng konti for the servicing and everything for it. Yun. Tara. Okay, tama na.
Sukol sa amin ha.
I don't want anyone here. Gagawa ko ng video. Bilisan mo.
Teka, 1,000. Kulang yun eh.
Pad DQ.
Kasi gusto namin paalisin.
Alisin! Alis na kayo para mapagtrabaho ko ng maayos. Sige na. Oh, get my entire...
Muna tayo sa Rolex!
Oy, ako ah.
Bakit ano yung binibigay mo pera doon?
Para mapagtrabaho ko, ang ingay nila eh. Alright guys, this watch is the most famous watch and most controversial watch dito sa Pilipinas ngayon. Alam nyo ba yun? Tao kasi. Bisa mo. Wala, sabi mo, bawal lumabas ha, 15 minutes. It's authentic, 100%, checked by Rolex, na-service siya, nagkaroon siya ng NFC card. That's it. Bossing! Kamusta?
Ito?
Binatang-binata, boss ah. How are you?
Natin.
Have a seat, boss. How are you?
Happy?
Tingnan mo yung stock ni boss.
Kaya nga, ang ganda eh. Ang ganda naman nito. Mahilig ka talaga sa ano.
Mas maganda yan sa pag-usapan natin.
Ano boss? Gusto mo naman ma-check o mamakain muna?
Tirahin muna natin.
Okay. So, this is the most controversial Rolex of all time dito sa Pilipinas. Are you ready?
Yes.
For the first time.
Pero no doubt, sleepless nights yan. Maraming sleepless
Yes, kasi actually, even I'm so confident. The mere fact na lumabas yung ganung issue, I have to save the reputation of January kasi. Sabi ko, hindi naman kami pwedeng masira yung reputation namin because someone claimed it's just fake, di ba? We didn't need to hide anything eh. We did our due diligence.
Diligence talaga eh.
Maganda yung konsensya namin na hindi.
dito sa mga tao.
And no one can really tell if it's really authentic or fake unless Rolex. Yeah, we can all make mistakes, pero Rolex. Biruin mo pare, 2 buwan nasa kanila yung relo.
Para magkamali ka na, tapos pagtulungan ka pa.
Tsaka ito yung...
Would you like to check? Oh, yeah.
Done.
Huwag naman boss, check mo muna na maayos.
Pagka makita mo yung invoice na Rolex boss, madadaan deal talaga.
And when you, of course, NFC pare, check natin. So, itatap natin
How
yan.
I trust you.
Yeah.
That's
So,
how I trust you.
tap natin. You could check.
I don't need to check, I trust you. But
Ayan,
you
ah.
do
Pwede natin
your
sa-
thing.
Pero ayan, boss.
Yeah.
So, here, serial number, reference, last service from Rolex. 2-year warranty up to 2028. And the good thing about also this watch is, kung makikita mo, boss, is this is Italy. Italy yung AD niya.
So,
and
in connection with the seller,
yes, Italian.
Italian.
Not only that, is the card also has a 170, yung country code ng Rolex. And 170, kahit i-google mo, Italy country code. So,
price, please.
price, definitely negotiable for you. 10 million.
I can do 8.8.
Oh, boss, ang sakit ng
Okay, you know our cost for that. That plus yung service namin.
and everything.
Although yung risk and all that, ganito.
That's not important. I saw the struggles, the hardship.
Yeah. You witness it all.
Can we do 9.5?
8.9.
Wow. Konti na lang eh. Alam ko na kung saan tayo
I think we'll end.
Promise, if you want to see it, just tell me.
So hindi mo siya ibebenta?
Gentry.
Hindi mo siya ibebenta?
I will not sell it.
Personal
Pero
na?
bagay, ang ganda.
Ang mahal nito, boss, sa personal mo?
Ang nire-represent niya, the victory of gentry.
Victory of
Alam mo boss eh.
Ito na ata yung pinakamalaking ano ko pare, jump off na nagkahagil ako. 9.2.
Let's make it 8,988.
8,988. You really love that number?
Yes.
May profit naman na tayo eh.
Boss,
Taka ano na.
Done!
Boss, done deal. Congratulations!
Wala na! Pero sana natuwa ka po. Kasi it's really nice.
Hindi lang ako ganun ka-showy.
Oo.
Pag uwi ko, baka pag natutulog ako, hindi pa rin.
Siyempre may done deal hoodie ka. Alright guys, done deal. We were able to sell 8.9 million, 88. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Yun natin yung pinakamalaking profit na record breaking tayo. Ano ba yan? Magsasaya pa kami. Paulitin.